billions of people, algorithm. Hi friends, today we are going to talk about how neural networks are controlling billions of people. You will learn what neural networks are, how they work, and how they affect our daily lives. Let's go. Neural networks are artificial systems that mimic the workings of the human brain. They consist of many interconnected neurons that process information and make decisions. Neural networks are used in a wide variety of fields, from medicine to marketing. The basic principle of neural networks is learning from large amounts of data. Algorithms analyze this data, identify patterns, and make predictions. For example, neural networks can recognize faces, translate texts, and even predict the weather. Neural networks have long been a part of our daily lives. They help us find the information we need on the internet, recommend movies and music, and improve the quality of service at banks and stores. But most importantly, neural networks help us solve complex tasks that were previously beyond human capabilities. Neural networks are a powerful tool that is already changing our world today. And who knows what amazing possibilities they will open up for us in the future. Thank you for being with us. Subscribe to the channel, give us likes, and share this video with your friends. See you soon.